Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Place the watch face down on a soft mat and wipe the case to avoid slips. Use a spring bar tool or small flat screwdriver and position the tip at the lug gap or notch. This is how you reduce tension safely. Pinch or depress the spring bar inward and slightly down to free one end. Once one side is released, support the strap so the bar doesn't fly out and fall. Make sure to keep small parts in a container as you work. Once one spring bar end is free, continue with steady, controlled movements to remove the opposite end. Unstable force bends bars. If the bar resists, change the tool angle slightly and apply shallow pressure while stabilizing the case with your other hand. For quick-release straps, slide the small lever and pull the strap out. For fixed or welded bars, do not force the tool. Instead, use a strap removal adapter or plan a professional service to avoid damaging lugs or the case. To finish, inspect the spring bars for wear and replace them if you see bends or corrosion. A slightly shorter or longer bar causes misfit. Start by seating one end into the lug hole, compress the opposite end, and guide it into place until you feel or hear a click. Once mounted, gently wiggle and rotate the strap to verify security. If the bar won't seat, remove and realign. Persistent issues mean replace the bar or consult a watchmaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.